The Ministry of Local Government is expected to make an announcement on the possible reopening of the entertainment industry soon, following deliberations in the cabinet today. But even as lawmakers try to find a balance, stakeholders in the sector say they are fatigued. Jamaica Maitland has our story.
TVJ are all deep, put the dogs all deep.
The pulse of the entertainment industry is seemingly beating faster, following Prime Minister Andrew Holness's comments that an announcement will be made about the reopening of the sector. Dancehall artists like Tentic says following the relaxation of the COVID containment measures last week, he's already been receiving bookings locally.
The team got a call from England. You see me, I say we got a couple calls from St. Elizabeth about bookings. You see me, about 4 calls we get since the Prime Minister made that statement. So figures are showing themselves say it's a good thing for the entertainment industry. You see me, because people more confident to spend their money, keep them event right now and book artists.
TVJ News caught up with the local government minister Desmond McKenzie, who said cabinet will discuss the issue on Monday.
I'm not prepared to make any more comments on that until the cabinet deliberates the matter and take a position.
The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation is also making preparations for a possible reopening. Mayor of Kingston Delroy Williams says more venues have been proposed to host larger events. Additionally, he says the KSAMC is revising the permit times for some venues that are located in residential areas.
So those are venues that would address the issue of nuisance in terms of noise, what residents regard as noise nuisance.
DJ Shuttlebus from Tivoli Gardens hopes venues like the Edward Siaga Sports Complex will be included for large events.
Most of the venue them in Nigeria is free. You just catch up a local sound box in our corner and get a selector. And people them come out. We can't afford to see them and then play select.
He, like Tentic, says the entertainment industry is experiencing COVID fatigue. The entertainment ministry estimates that the fallout from the pandemic on the sector is about $26 billion.
So the entertainment industry are the only hope for it. We are selector, all right. Artists now go really balling because you don't know. Artists have their platforms, which is their music sell, with or without parties keeping, but a selector now go eat without a party keep.
Now for the perks and things that we should be having as artists, we're out there, we're not getting to tour, we're not getting to do a lot of stuff. You see me, I say, so the fact that the place open up is basically what we've been looking for.
And, like the artists, the public is also waiting on Cabinet's next move.
All we have to do, apply with the protocol, keep on our masks, that we can get to enjoy ourselves. So the Prime Minister can get to just open up the whole entire place.
Never go sleep, still
Jamaica
all
Maitland,
deep, put the dogs
TVJ
all
News.
deep.